What's up? I'm Justin with the Waterproof Group, and today we're gonna go take a look at a flat commercial roof. It sounds like this roof already has a pre-existing coating on it, and it sounds like it's pretty messed up. So we're gonna go take a look at it and see what we come up with.
Oops!
So looking at this roof here, roofer made a classic mistake by using acrylic coating on a flat roof. As you can see, I mean, it just peels off, man. It's no good. Ponding water in areas, it's going to delaminate this acrylic. It's not really going to work out.
No.
So unfortunately, this roof is going to have to get
refurbished, restored, and recertified.